why smart AI freelancers are switching to retainers, and how you can too. So, every AI freelancer I know is stuck on a treadmill. Same hustle month after month. And today I am showing you the model that gets you off it and why it works with the exact same skills you already have. Stay till the end. I have got a free playbook that gives you the pricing formula, the exact conversation to convert a client, and a 30 days roadmap to make this switch. Link is in the description if you want it sooner. Now let's get on to it. The feast of a mind cycle. Now this is what most AI freelancers income looks like. Month 1, you land a project. Great. You deliver. You get paid. Month 2, that money is done. You are back to zero. Prospecting, pitching, following up. Month 3, the same thing. Maybe you land something, maybe you don't. And this is the feast of a mind cycle. And here is what nobody talks about: 30 to 40% of your working hours, not your free time, your working hours, go towards finding the next client. And that's not a rounding error. That is a third of your income capacity disappearing into sales. And look, this is not a productivity problem, it is a structural one. You're not working too little, you are billing the wrong way. And that distinction matters because no amount of work harder fixes a broken structure. Let us talk about the one off versus retainer. Let me show you what actually changes when you move from one off projects to retainers. One off, you get paid once, income resets to zero. You sell after you deliver, and you are priced based on the deliverable. Retainer, you get paid monthly, income compounds, it stacks. You deliver after payment, and you are priced based on the outcome, not the task. But here is the real insight: one of clients hire you for a task, retainer clients hire you for a function. Let me make this concrete. That's a task, it has a start and an end. The other one is a function. It is ongoing, it is operational, same skill, same output, completely different billing relationship. Now, the skill didn't change, your positioning did. What are the three retainer ready AI services? Now, not every AI service converts to a retainer. Only three do it naturally. Let me walk you through each one. Service 1 is AI content operations. The content is never finished. Think about it. A business that needs 8 LinkedIn posts in January, they need 8 in February, and in March, and in April. The demand never stops. The cycle never ends. And that is what makes it retainer ready by default. You're not writing one batch and walking away. You're running their content engine. Best for writers, marketers, and social media managers. And if you're already doing AI assisted content for clients, you are sitting on a retainer and you don't even know it. I didn't even know it. Service 2, AI workflow maintenance. Now, this one is huge and most people miss it. Automations break, tools update their APIs, new use cases come up every single month. So, here is the thing: a client who paid you to build an automation, they'll absolutely pay you monthly to keep it up running, especially if they are not technical. And that's most of them. Now, they don't want to learn Go High Level or Make or Zapier or anything. They want it to work. And you are the person who makes it work. So, best for Go High Level users, Make, Zapier, N10 builders, anyone who thinks in systems. And the third service is AI reportings and insights. Now, businesses run on monthly reporting cycles. That's not my opinion. That is how businesses work. Board meetings, investor updates, sales reviews, marketing performance, all monthly. And if you can deliver clean, insight rich reports faster and cheaper than a full time analyst, clients will pay you consistently, month after month, because the cycle does not stop. It never stops. So it is best for analysts and anyone with a finance or ops background. So if you're good with data, this is your lane. Now, what doesn't convert? This is important. So let me save you some pain. Two services that do not convert to retailers, no matter how hard you try. First, AI generated assets, ebooks, logos, One time prompt libraries, because the deliverable is finite. You hand it over and it's done. There is no next month version of a logo. Second, AI strategy consulting. The strategy delivered once is consumed once. The client reads it. Maybe they implement it, but they are not paying you again next month to re strategize the same thing. See, here is the pattern to remember. Ask yourself this one question: does the client need this again next month? If yes, it is retainer ready. If no, it is a project. A good project, maybe, but it's not recurring income. Now, let me tell you how this played out for me personally. I had a client. I had a lot of clients. Small businesses, multiple small businesses, maybe 5, 10, or 15 people. So they used to hire me to set up their AI content workflow, social posts, email newsletters, and the entire thing on Go High Level, all other CRMs that they used. And I quoted them for the project, did the work, delivered it, got paid. And then a month later, they would come back. Hey, we need more posts. So I did another project, another invoice, another round of back and forth on scope. The third month, the exact same thing. Now that's when it hit me. I was literally doing the same work every month, but billing like it was a new project every single time. New proposal, new negotiation, new invoice. So I went to them and said, look, you need this every month. I need this stability. Let's do a retainer. I'll run your content system for a flat monthly fee. And you won't believe it. They said yes in about 10 seconds. Now, before, my income looked like this: up and down, gap, up again, never predictable. After this, it looked like a flat baseline, growing, compounding. Same skill, same client. I just changed one thing: the billing structure. So, here is the one action that you need to take today. This is what I want you to do today, not this week, not when you are ready. Today. Step 1: pick one of the three retainer ready services: content operations, workflow maintenance, reporting, and insights. Just one. Building funnels, websites, whatever it is, just one. Don't overthink it. Step 2: write your positioning sentence. And here is the formula. Let me fill in mine so you can see it. I help small business owners with AI powered content systems so they can stay visible and generate leads every single month on autopilot. See how that works? It is not about the task, it is about the outcome. And it repeats every month. Step 3: identify 3 existing or past clients who have a recurring version of this problem. You already know them. They are the ones who kept coming back for the same type of work. Now, that is your retainer list. And I have put everything into a free playbook. All 3 services, the pricing formula, the exact conversation to use when you convert a one off client into a retainer, and a full 30-day roadmap to make this switch. Link is in the description. It is free. Download it now. And if this helped you, drop a comment. Tell me which of the 3 services you are going to go with, and I read every single one. I'll see you in the next one.